Alright, so 7 gives us some specific instructions. So it wants us to draw a graph and it wants to make sure that some certain conditions are met. So f of x needs to be continuous everywhere except at 3, 4, and 5. But then it still puts some demands on us. So it wants the limit as x goes to 3 of f of x to exist. It wants these left and right limits to have particular values. And it wants it to have a vertical asymptote when x equals 5. And it's our job to make this problem work out. So let me draw my coordinate axis here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm only denoting the positive ones because those are the only ones that I care about, really. So it needs to be continuous everywhere. So here it was being continuous on the back end. And for a while it can do whatever it wants. We need the limit as x goes to 3 of f of x to exist, but we don't care about anything else. So I'm going to go in, and I'm going to draw an open circle there. And then I'm going to go back up. Again, there's a million different ways to draw this kind of graph. This is just the idea. Here the limit exists, but it's not continuous because it's got a hole. And that's always going to be the case. I might, if I wanted to, draw a point up here, define 3 to be something else. As long as it's not where that circle is, that would be fine. But I'm just going to leave it empty. And I want limit as x goes to 4 from the minus of f of x to be 2. So that's not too hard to accomplish. I just make sure I actually accomplish it. And for flavor, I'm going to put a filled in circle there. You could do an empty circle if you wanted. From the plus, we're equal to 3. So we're going to do like that. And then when we get close to 5, we need a vertical asymptote. So let's go ahead and draw one of those. And if I wanted, I could do a whole bunch of different things. I'm going to draw a vertical asymptote going that way, and then the function goes on forever on its merry way being happy. But this is all we need. It satisfies all the conditions. Again, there are so many different graphs. You could change the way it's shaped, where the concavity and things are. The main thing is making sure those limit definitions and continuity definitions are satisfied.